Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 10, Measurement. So students, let's continue exercise 10D, fill in the blanks. This we are supposed to do it in your textbooks. So the first one, in summer season we wear dash clothes and in dash we wear woolen clothes. This is also a type of SST question. What do we wear? Which clothes do we in summer we wear? What type of clothes? Yes, cotton clothes. So I will write cotton clothes. And in dash we wear woolen clothes. When do we wear woolen clothes? Yes, in winter we wear woolen clothes. So in summer we wear cotton clothes and in winter woolen clothes. Next one, when the temperature was 7 degrees centigrade, I had to wear a dash to protect myself. 7 degrees centigrade means the temperature is high or low? It is low. It has gone down. So when it goes down, it becomes cool. So what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes. Next, water boils at dash degrees centigrade. Water boils at how many degrees centigrade I had told? 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and freezes at dash degrees centigrade, dash degrees Fahrenheit. How many degrees Fahrenheit? 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees centigrade. Next one, which is colder, 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees centigrade? Now these are the both are the freezing point of water in different scales. So they are both are same. So right just next to this, both are same, which nothing is colder or hotter. Now we can go to a picnic at a temperature of 32 degrees centigrade or 30 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 degrees Fahrenheit becomes cold and 32 degrees centigrade is good. So we circle 32 degrees centigrade. Next, I can take bath at room temperature at 70 degrees centigrade or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. 70 degrees centigrade becomes too hot. So you cannot have bath in that temperature. At room temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in winter we take a cup of soup. Now soup is taken at 85 degrees centigrade or 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Now 85 degrees Fahrenheit is again colder. So we will take it at 85 degrees centigrade. That means it is a warm soup. Snowman can be made at the temperature 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees centigrade. Now snowman is made of ice. So ice means you need a cooler temperature. So cooler temperature will be 25 degrees centigrade or 25 degrees Fahrenheit. 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, what happens when temperature falls in winter? When the temperature falls in winter means it becomes more colder. So what happens? We feel cold. Write the answer next to it. Liquid used in the thermometer is called. What is the liquid used in the thermometer? The shiny material, silver material. Yes, I had explained it is mercury. Which thermometer has greater range? Centigrade scale or Fahrenheit scale? Centigrade has 0 to 100 and Fahrenheit has 32 to 212. So Fahrenheit scale. Doctors use dash thermometer when anybody has fever. What type of thermometer does the doctor use? Yes, this also I had showed you, clinical thermometer. Do this, fill in the blanks in the textbook itself. Continue question number 4. I had to fly to Mumbai from Delhi, means I was in the plane, where the temperature was 45 degrees centigrade. So in Delhi the temperature was 45 degrees centigrade, but when in Mumbai I found the temperature was less by 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Then Delhi, what is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit in Mumbai? So now I have to convert the centigrade to Fahrenheit and then make it 20 degrees less also to find the temperature in Mumbai. This is also same time, if the degrees are different, you cannot add or subtract. You have to make the unit same. So I have to convert the centigrade to Fahrenheit, Then make 20 degrees Fahrenheit less and get the temperature in Fahrenheit. So we have to find the degrees in Fahrenheit. So we write the formula. Fahrenheit is equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. You know this formula? Yes. Centigrade scale is 45 into 9 upon 5 plus 32. I can cut 5 9s are 45, 9 9s are 81 plus 32. 81 plus 32 will be units place 2 plus 1 3, 8 plus 3 11 degrees Fahrenheit. So we can say 45 degrees centigrade is 113 degrees Fahrenheit. But the temperature was less by 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature in Mumbai will be, yes, 113 degrees Fahrenheit minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 minus 0, 3, 11 minus 2, 93 degrees Fahrenheit. So now answer, the temperature in Mumbai is 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Temperature recorded in the morning was 25 degrees centigrade on 1st October, but during the day the temperature increased by 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the temperature during the daytime. So it was 25 degrees centigrade. It increased by 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Now again the units are different. So what do? I first convert the unit into Fahrenheit because I have to find the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So I will convert the centigrade to Fahrenheit, then increased. Increased means became more hot. So I will plus or minus, I will plus and then get the answer. Okay. So we start off. Temperature was 25 degrees centigrade. Now we are converting. Convert degree centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit. So now Fahrenheit is equal to C into, the bracket C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. So that is 25 into 9 upon 5 plus 32. 5 1s are 5, 5s are 9 5s are 45 plus 32. 5 plus 2 7 and 4 plus 3 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Then it increased by 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature will be 77 degrees Fahrenheit plus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. 77 plus 10 becomes 87 degrees Fahrenheit. So we write the answer. The temperature during daytime is 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Sum of this exercise. A sick person having 104 degrees Fahrenheit temperature took some medicine to control fever. After some time, he realized the temperature dropped by 3 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature in degrees centigrade? So now he was having 104 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. When you have fever, we take medicine. So after medicine, the temperature dropped. Dropped means came down by 3 degrees centigrade. Now see again, the units are different. So what do? We have to convert it. And as it is, we have to find the temperature in degrees centigrade. So we'll convert the degrees Fahrenheit into centigrade. So we write temperature equals to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we will convert. C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So, Fahrenheit 104 minus 32 into 5 upon 9. 104 minus 32, 4 minus 2, 2, 10 minus 3, 72 upon 9, 8s are. So 8 5s are 40 degrees. This become centigrade. Now temperature dropped by 3 degrees centigrade. So the temperature now will be is 40 degrees centigrade minus 3 degrees centigrade, that will be 37 degrees centigrade. So now we write the answer, the temperature after the medicine. So the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade now.